In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the repost button here on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more quick Instagram tips just like this. Now, the repost option is handy for some, but if you don't want others to repost your content, here's how you can go ahead and disable it. Begin by opening up Instagram and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right, and then tap the three lines up in the top right corner to open up your settings and activity. From here, go ahead and scroll down on this section till you get to this option that says how others can interact with you. And from here, go ahead and choose sharing and reuse. Find the option for repost on post and reels, which is going to be the third option right here, and just go ahead and tick it off just like so. Once this is disabled, the repost button is no longer going to appear for other users on your post. But yeah, it really is as simple as that overall. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Instagram tips and tutorials just like this. We do greatly appreciate it because it does let us know that you want more Instagram content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.